Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 battery. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Now let's disconnect the battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative cable first. This is a crucial safety step. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive cable, usually marked with a plus sign. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Look for any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place and unfasten them. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray, remembering that it can be quite heavy. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the clean battery tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then securely attach the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Fiat 500 battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.